Right, so before we get to anything, first thing I will mention, maybe you hate the new materials, so you can change them to old ones. I'm going to material service and changing this check mark right here. You have to scroll down. And now let's get into material service as well, how you can add your special textures, your special materials, and so on and so on. So first step is by adding new material variant. Then you have two choices. Either you can go to website, for example this is a website right here called FreeBBR. You can download free textures. You need to download this file right here that ends with BL because these other ones are for other engines. And you will download the file. I have it already downloaded right here. So you will get several images, and basically what you do when you see its roughness, you put it into roughness. When it is, I don't know, metallic, you put it into metalness, and so on and so on. Normal is color map. There are some extra ones that you won't use. You use how much? 4, and there is 7 of them. So, and then when you will have actually the material added, it should be visible in material manager, so you can just apply to selected parts always. Or other thing that you can do is to set it as some terrain, as here you change it to like a type of material. But if you want to change it actually like here, change texture here on the terrain, then just find the texture of the one you want to change. So for example, we want to change grass, so we look up grass in material manager, and right here we will change it to material service we want, so in this case a brick. And second way, and it is way faster, when you want to add new material variants, just go to toolbox, and when you load up toolbox, there are categories. Click to see all, and materials right here, click, and basically it's with any free model. You just bring it here, and these are more material variants, and basically now you basically skip the first step and you can directly add, not add, but change the materials. So right here. So I hope you liked this video. Do not forget to hit if you liked it, subscribe. If you are new to building or want to get better in building, go check out how to build like a pro series. And if you want to learn how to script, go check out script like a pro series. Thank you for watching.